How to Make Money Online in 2026, Expert Strategies. Welcome. If you're watching this in 2026, you're living through the most transformative period in digital entrepreneurship. The AI revolution is here, and opportunities to build wealth online have never been more accessible. I've researched strategies from Dan Lok, Dan Martell, and Alex Hormozi, entrepreneurs who've collectively generated hundreds of millions and helped thousands succeed. What I'm sharing isn't theory. These are proven techniques working right now in 2026. The 2026 digital landscape. We're in what Dan Martell calls the AI-first economy. AI tools allow one person to accomplish what previously required entire teams. The creator economy has exploded, with creators earning over $1 million annually. The gig economy is worth $582 billion, projected to reach $2 trillion by 2034. Dan Lok's foundation. High-income skills. Dan Lok built his empire on developing high-income skills, abilities the marketplace values at $10,000 per month or more. Top high-income skills in 2026. AI automation and implementation. High-ticket sales and closing. Content creation and copywriting. Digital marketing. Software development. Lok's framework. Earn through skills, save 10 to 20%, and invest in high-return opportunities. Dan Martell's top money-making methods. Quick start opportunities. AI automation agencies, ***, businesses desperately need automation. Use ChatGPT to create offers, cold call prospects, and close $300 to $1,000 monthly retainers. Scale from 1 client to 100. LinkedIn growth systems. CEOs need personal brand development. Offer AI-powered content creation and engagement management. Outcome-based retainers. Sell outcomes, not tasks. Instead of social media management for $500, say qualified lead generation through social media for $2,000 monthly. Micro SaaS solutions. Build simple software with no-code tools like Bubble. Industry-specific chatbots, booking systems, and CRM tools are in high demand. Premium content creation. Use AI to produce high-volume content, videos, blogs, social posts, positioning yourself as strategist while AI handles execution. Scalable models. Information products. Create courses solving specific problems. Use automated webinar funnels and scale with advertising. Platforms like Kajabi make delivery simple. High-ticket consulting. If you have expertise, consulting offers incredible margins. Charge $5,000 to $50,000 per engagement for transformational results. YouTube empire. YouTube remains powerful for wealth building. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliates, products, and memberships. Alex Hormozi's framework. Hormozi built 8-figure businesses with proven frameworks. The value equation. Value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood, divided by time delay times effort. Increase outcome and likelihood while decreasing time and effort. Active income first. Passive income is a lie for beginners. Start with active income, build systems, leverage technology, then invest profits. The gift-ask ratio. Give until they ask. Build goodwill by providing massive value. The ratio should be 10 to 1 or 20 to 1. Proven business models for 2026. Service-based businesses with AI. This is the fastest path to your first $5,000. Low startup costs and immediate cash flow. Examples include social media management with AI content, lead generation, virtual assistants, and consulting. Revenue potential. $5,000 to $100,000 monthly. Start by choosing one service, finding 3 to 5 beta clients, using AI tools for efficiency, then raising prices as you prove results. Personal brand plus information products. Infinite scalability with 80 to 90% profit margins. Build audience through YouTube, LinkedIn, or podcasts. Provide massive free value. Create signature courses. Use automated webinar funnels. Revenue potential. $10,000 to over $1 million monthly. Time to profitability. 6 to 18 months with consistent effort. Software as a service. Dan Martell emphasizes SaaS businesses are most valuable. Even micro SaaS can generate substantial recurring income. Use no-code tools like Bubble and AI coding assistants. Start with 10 paying customers. Revenue potential: 10,000 to 10 million monthly. E-commerce 2.0. In 2026, focus on specialization and branding. Subscription boxes, branded dropshipping, print on demand with original designs, Amazon FBA with proper research. Revenue potential: 10,000 to 500,000 monthly. Content creation and media, multiple revenue streams that compound over time. YouTube, podcasting, newsletters, social media. Revenue stack includes ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate commissions, digital products, courses, coaching, and merchandise. Top creators earn 5,000 to 10 million monthly. The 90-day blueprint. Month 1. Choose your path. Create your offer using Hormozi's value equation. Reach out to 50 prospects. Close first 1 to 3 clients. Target: $1,000 to $5,000. Month 2. Develop processes. Implement AI tools. Increase outreach to 20 to 30 daily. Create content consistently. Target: $3,000 to $10,000. Month 3. Systemize operations. Hire help. Launch digital products. Build email lists. Create referral programs. Target: $5,000 to $20,000. Critical success factors. Mindset precedes success. Alex Hormozi says if you don't have more money, it's because you don't feel like you deserve it. Believe you deserve financial success. Overcome imposter syndrome, and commit to continuous learning. Dan Lok was a millionaire in his mind before he became one on paper. Skills over degrees. What you can do matters infinitely more than credentials. Dan Martell dropped out and became a multimillionaire through skills. The 2026 reality. Demonstrated results beat traditional education. Execution beats planning. Imperfect action beats perfect planning. Most people fail from never starting. In 2026, you can launch in days, not months. The only failure is not trying. Price on value, not time. Never price based on hours. Sell outcomes, not activities. I charge $5,000 for complete brand identity beats $50 per hour. Build in public. Share your journey, progress, failures, and lessons. Radical transparency creates trust and attracts opportunities. Consistency compounds. Post daily for 90 days. One post seems insignificant. 365 posts create authority. Essential tools for 2026. ChatGPT and Claude for content. Zapier for automation. Kajabi for courses. Shopify for e-commerce. Bubble for no-code. Canva for design. Your next steps. Making money online in 2026 requires choosing a proven model, developing valuable skills, taking consistent action, providing massive value, and scaling systematically. Choose one method from this guide. Set up infrastructure this week. Make your first offer within 7 days. Reach out to 10 potential clients daily. Document and share your journey publicly. The difference between where you are and where you want to be isn't luck or timing. It's decision and action. 2026 could be the year everything changes. But only if you start today.